So I have here a box from Sunset Valley Orchids, and I ordered one flask from Fred, and I'm not quite sure why the box is so large, because a flask should be like a third the size of it. So we're about to find out. I didn't order anything else. I looked on his website on Sunday, and he had a new Richard Mueller cross flask that I hadn't seen before. And so I ordered one before he sold out. And of course, this thing is not going to open. Again, I'm not quite sure why this is so large. It's apparently hermetically sealed on all sides with tape. Oh goodness, make it through there. All right, so here is my invoice, and oh, I see. I can just send him a check. All right. Okay. Here's the box. And in the very middle is one flask. So most of the flask is paper. There we go. So I got, does it say on this? It's SVO 10838. It's a Richard Mueller cross. So this is Gulf Shores Beauty crossed to Richard Mueller. And Gulf Shores Beauty is one of those green nodosa types with the big pink lip. And so we'll just have to see what these look like.